In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Adobe XD on Windows. We'll walk through a clean, straightforward setup using the Creative Cloud desktop app, so you can get Adobe XD installed and running without any hassle. Before we start, make sure you're on a stable internet connection and that you're signed into the Creative Cloud desktop app with your Adobe account, since the installer is managed through that app. Go ahead and open the Creative Cloud desktop app on your Windows PC. Once it's open, look for the Apps tab along the top or left side. That's where all available Adobe apps are listed. In the Apps view, you can either scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Adobe XD quickly. Type Adobe XD, and it should appear with an Install button next to it. Click Install. Creative Cloud will take care of the entire process, downloading the necessary files and installing them for you. You'll see a progress indicator so you know it's working. If Windows asks for permission to make changes, confirm to continue. While it installs, keep the Creative Cloud app open. Don't put your computer to sleep, and make sure you have enough disk space. Installation times vary depending on your connection and device speed, so just let it run. When the installation completes, the Install button will change to Open. You can click Open right there in Creative Cloud to launch Adobe XD immediately. If you prefer, you can also open it from the Windows Start menu by searching for Adobe XD. On first launch, you may be prompted to sign in with your Adobe ID. Go ahead and sign in to activate the app. This sign-in helps sync your settings and ensures your license is recognized. If you're already signed in through Creative Cloud, it might skip this step automatically. After that, Adobe XD will load to its welcome screen. At this point, you're ready to start designing. If you want fast access in the future, right-click the XD icon on your taskbar and choose Pin to Taskbar, so it's always just a click away. It's also a good idea to keep the Creative Cloud app running in the background. It will manage updates for XD, so you always have the latest features and fixes. And that's it. You opened the Creative Cloud desktop app, found Adobe XD in the Apps tab, clicked Install, launched it from Creative Cloud or the Start menu, signed in if prompted, and you're now ready to use Adobe XD on your Windows machine.